Yo, what up guys? So I know it's been a while since I've done a quote-unquote vlog video. I was doing them about a year ago, but it kind of took its toll on me because I was doing videos on my 1DX, my Sony a7 Mark III, my GoPro, my drone, and it was just like too much footage to work with. But now that I'm down to just my GoPro because I absolutely love this camera, it's the perfect time now for me just to document exactly what I'm doing, because then it's easy to put in a story and just basically show you guys what my day-to-day life is like. So I'm not going to be doing vlogs every single day because that's a lot of time on my part, and I do like to have my freedom where I can just chill and do absolutely bugger all. But every time I'm doing something that's exciting, that'll inspire you guys, I'm going to document that and share it with you, so it can inspire you and basically show you the kind of lifestyle that you can live through doing affiliate marketing. So we're doing something pretty epic today. We're actually on an island called Koh Siray. It was about a 40-minute drive from where me and the missus stay in Phuket. It was pretty cool driving here, I must admit, because I was going down roads and tracks I've never been on before. And yeah, we're just exploring this island. We're actually on a private beach right now where nobody is. It's pretty awesome. So I've been getting some photos of the missus, you know, doing all the model poses. She does look a lot better than me doing it, I must admit. And now we're gonna, we're gonna drive around, explore, see what else is on this island, see if we find anything epic. But yeah, we're gonna take you guys along for the journey. So let's get into it. Ready to go and explore, Pumpkin?
I look like a foot.
Yeah, it's funny what you see her like when she's taking photos in there now. Hey, like a little tomboy. So yeah, we don't know where we're going, but we'll know when we get there. So this is pretty epic. New viewpoint, but the only thing is no one seems to be taking care of this temple. I mean, it's all, I don't know if you've seen it on the way up, like, but it's all pretty desolate. But I mean, this view, look at that, man. So we made it to the top. It's definitely pretty nice. I mean, check out the view. It's pretty cool. I am walking on this because my feet are burning right now. It's pretty epic. The only thing is, the dude sitting inside where there's a giant like reclining Buddha, he's wanting money to take a photo, which...
So we can take video. Don't let people do that. So
Mrs. Mafia sorted it out, just basically told him to shove it and just went in and started taking photos and videos. So yeah, check this out. Pretty cool. Ultimate badass, ain't you? So what's the plan next then?
Go to that log, the one you see.
Alright, we've seen this pretty cool like raised rock on top of a mountain, so we're going to see if we can check that out now. Actually, let's do a pretty interesting transition. So we couldn't get up to that private rock, well, that rock as it was a private road, but we did find some monkeys, bruv. Why did I speak like that in a video? Never mind. If you wonder why I'm putting on an English accent, that's to do with me and my business partner Peter, so long story. But yeah, don't know if you can see the monkeys down there. One of them coming close. What's the plan? Yeah, I don't know what we're going to do, but yeah, we'll find something exciting. There wasn't much to do on Siray, was there, babe?
Say it again?
There wasn't much to do on Siray, was there? Koh Siray.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so a little day trip to Siray kind of got cut short as there really is nothing to do. So we're back in Phuket now, and we just found this pretty cool restaurant. Check out the view. So yeah, we're just going to get some lunch here, and then, what do you think? Swim? Yeah, we're going to go for a swim later. So guys, I think I'm just going to round the day off with a nice little sunset swim. So I know this vlog hasn't been the most long, or it's not been the longest or the most entertaining one, but things don't always go according to plan out here in paradise. So yeah, as soon as we get up to something really crazy, adventurous and exciting, I'll see you then. But until next time guys, peace.